Hello, Elena. Hello, people. This is Lily Journals. So I'm here with my Archer and Olive recipe journal that I got from the the June, the summer subscription box. And I really like it because my backyard pretty much has mountains that look a lot like this. And it's one of my favorite views of El Paso of all time. So this is not a dot grid. This is just a plain craft notebook. So I made my own lines. I thought I was going to put page numbers, and then I thought better of it. I'm like, I don't want to number all of them. So they're actually the recipes are in the order that they appear. And no, they're not in any particular theme or rhyme or reason at all. Most of these are from my friend Elena. All the pecan ones are from, these are Elena. Actually, this is from Sylvia. Elena. I think this one I got from the internet. But most of these are from Elena. The pecan ones are from my friend Cheryl. So most of these, if I hand wrote them, they were going to take forever. So I just copied and pasted. And even the short ones, some of them took 2 whole pages. So this is a short one. And then I just went with a really heavy, thick green marker. And then my pen gave out. And I'm okay with it. These I actually got from a magazine that I got this week. Most of these are, that one's Elena, that one's Cheryl. Most of these are Elena. This I got from the internet, and I use this one every summer. So I went and I looked for an alternate one that didn't have the beer and the orange. And a lot of the ingredients are the same. So that one's from Cheryl because it's pecans. I believe this one is Elena's. This one's actually from Serena, my niece. And this one I got from an email subscription. And then these are also from the same magazine I got those other ones. This is my mom's turkey stuffing. Finally got around to writing it down. That one I got off Facebook. That's Elena. That's Elena. All of these are Elena. So there you go. And I still have plenty of room to fill the rest of my index out. So there you go. This is my recipe journal. I probably need to put in a few more mom recipes in here too. I think I have her flour tortillas and horchata water and a couple of other ones I need to put in. So there you go. This is the updated recipe journal. Have a great day, guys. Bye.